your English through a step-by-step process. You can take the test, or you can take your students to take that test, and you can be the part of this assessment board. That's why we do the registration, and we support schools, universities or teaching centers and individual person to conduct the registration. All kinds of support. For example, for IELTS you used to go to British Council. For Anglia examinations, we provide all support. And giving training is our another support. Helping you, offering preparation course. We have a very strong training team. They conduct preparation courses. You can go to our teaching center, or our team can go to the schools to support in training. So we help teachers or any participants. If it is an institutional, we go there and offer training. And this is very specific because this training is for the teachers. So we go to the centers or schools and offer training program. And also we have publishing work. If we have proper material that you are using, or if you find anything that is very useful for teaching, we publish that. So these three are our activities. So these are also our step-by-step learning approach. So for young learners, we have first step to preliminary, then intermediate and higher levels. So all these levels are divided from like young learners up to adults, teenagers, separate courses. It's not one particular course suitable for all. For young learners like kids English, and we have teenagers English, we have English for the adults, business professionals and teachers. So some of you were inquisitive to know why we are here. Basically we are here to give you all this information so that you can share or suggest, or if you think you need any of the support, you can contact. Is it clear? Like the purpose of visit? Okay. Sharing all this information. I will tell you. So our students, our young learners, and you are the mentors of so many young learners in this school. So you, like, it's not necessary that only English version teachers. Any teacher who feel like I will use English in the classroom, they can receive our qualifications, CIT. Then they can become the trainer of young kids and also for the adults. So this is a picture. After certification, these kids are receiving Anglia certificates from UK. Procedure. We conduct a placement test. This placement test will support you to know your level, and then there will be a paper journey. This paper journey is your exam, and after that you will get your result. And your certificate will be exactly like this, which is from directly sent from UK, and the whole exam will be conducted, supervised by UK exam board. We have our individual invigilators and trainers who are certified for the examinations in England, and we will be conducting the invigilation. So if you think all teachers will take this test, we can go to the center, like the school can be an exam center, or if you think, well, I want to do it personally, you can go to teaching center. These are marked, and as I said, all certificate will be given from Chichester, England. Your name, your level of English, and what level you are, how much score you have got, this will be written. So we don't give band, but we have 4 level. Distinction, when your score is more than 80%, you get distinction. If it is more than 70%, it's merit, and if it is more than 60, you will just get pass. Below 60 to you will be referred. So that is our marking criteria. So I talked about CFR, OFCOL and AIM awards. These three accredited body is the part of Anglia examinations. They're our partners around the world. So I told you, any assessment when it is the part of these, that is highly evaluated around the world. So you need to know CEFR, OFCOL and AIM awards. These three things are very important to know about the value of the qualifications.